Hi guys, it's David here, and today we're going to be talking about how to change out carbon brushes on your motors for your washing machine. And I find that usually people tend to throw out or buy new motors when in actual fact 9 times out of 10 it's these little carbon brushes on the side of it, and it's the same applies for power tools as well, miter saws, drills and alternators in cars, stuff like that. It can be a really easy fix. So once you remove either the side panel or the back, depending on your washing machine, this motor will probably be sitting at the side or at the bottom. And sometimes you can get at, I'll just show you, sometimes you can get at these brushes from without having to take the motor out. So if you can, it's only a case of removing 4 screws, buying a set of new brushes and popping them back in. If you have to take it out, there's basically 2 earths here. Just move that into the camera again. There's 2 earths and your 7-pin plug, and on the brushes themselves there's one cable outside, one cable on the other side, so you just detach them. And then all you have to do then is just remove the housings for the carbon brushes. I'm just going to just take one off so I can show you. So when it comes off, guys, it's going to look like this. Well, hope you can see that. It's a little housing, and on the back here, some are slightly different, but most of the motors on washing machines, they have this black casing, and there's a little lip here, and you just pop that up, and this opens up, then it just pops off like that. And inside here then is your casing for the carbon brushes. As you can see, it's them there. But when you want to replace them, you just remove it. Just take note of the way the carbon brush is tapered. You can see there's an angle on it, and when you buy the new brushes they'll have that angle, so just put it back in the same way as you got it, so that it lines with the motor, so when the motor's turning it runs smooth off the edge of it. So when you take it out of its casing, like that, to take the brush out, there's a small little pin here. Jeez, I keep going out of camera shot. There's a small little pin here, and you just push it down, and then let it spring out, and then lift it out of its casing. And then when you lift it out, you get this, and that's it. And you just get your new ones, and pop them back in, same way again. The spring, push the little head in here, squeeze it down, and then push it into place. And that's it. And then it locks it in place. When you're finished, then just pop it back into your casing. So, and then put your back on it. And it's as simple as that, guys. And like I said, this works for nearly most of the tools I ever fixed. It was carbon brushes that were gone in it before anything went, and they're really cheap. A couple of euro will get you, or a couple of dollars, or less maybe, will get you a set of carbon brushes for your motor. So it's always a good place to check first before you decide to get rid of your washing machine or whatever tool you have, because sometimes they're easy fixed and it's a shame to throw them out when there's nothing wrong with them. So that's it. Hope you liked the video, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers, good luck.